Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty. I am so excited to be back in the tribute today. We have drywall, so let's go take a look. So as I mentioned before, your brick and stone are both here. They've been here for a little while, and so they will be starting that soon. I know there are some labor delays, so that would probably be the only reason it's taking a little bit longer, but hold on, look at this drywall. And now that we have walls, it is so much easier to tell exactly where everything is. So let's take a quick tour. So of course we have this beautiful bedroom up in the front of the house. Man, it's so pretty with the walls. So we have a closet back here, which is a pretty good size. It's a little dark, we don't have lights yet. Then let's head over here. This is our full bathroom. So these two rooms over here we'll share. And another bedroom on this side. And they have a closet tucked back here. Man, so many rooms in this house have a beautiful lake view. I'm so jealous. As I mentioned before, this door is temporary, so don't worry about that. All right, back in the main hallway. I love these ceilings. So the doorways are gonna be squared off, but the architecture, I just think is so pretty. It's just a really nice touch that American Legend did. So then I'm gonna hang a left here. And so we'll have your sconce right there. This will be kind of a little mudroom. And so this over here is the study. So that will be pretty. Half bathroom. I'm sorry, I said study, that'll be a bedroom. Disregard me. This is the laundry room. So we'll have washer and dryer coming right in from the garage. So you'll have a nice size 2-car garage, access up into the attic. And then directly across the main hallway, this is on the plan, it's called a formal dining room, but I know my clients are gonna use it more as a media room. So they got some pretty French doors for in here, decked it out with all of the AV, low voltage. Man, it looks so good. I cannot get over it. These ceilings are so dramatic. The drywall is when it really gets real, when you can start to see everything, see exactly where the rooms are. You have this beautiful ceiling up here. So next time I come back, I wouldn't be surprised if they already have cabinets in here. They move quick. Once we get to the drywall stage, this is the pantry. Once we hit drywall, man, it moves so fast. They'll get the countertops, flooring will be soon, all of the trim. So it's when more of those architectural pieces start to come together. This is the patio out here. Oh, that breeze feels nice. And this is going to be the breakfast area. So since we're not doing the formal dining for these clients, they'll use this as their primary dining space. And then there's gonna be some cabinets right over here. And then stepping back, we'll have a closet right here. So just a linen closet. And then the beautiful big master. And there will be some privacy fencing going back there in your backyard so that you don't have to look directly into the neighbor's house. I love these high doorways. Hopefully y'all can tell in the video, but it just adds an element of space and kind of makes it just feel so much more open and airy. So this is a closet, and then we have the toilet right here, or water closet as some people call it. And then of course, bathtub under this big window, right next to the shower. And then this is the giant master closet. Y'all could have a dance party in here. I know they decked it out with some really nice rods in there for y'all. And then over here, you'll have a vanity here on either side. And then we're doing the makeup counter in the middle, which will be so nice. And I will head back into the main living room, give you one last look. Oh, so pretty. Thank y'all so much for following along as this beautiful house comes together. It is 98 degrees and I'm a little sweaty, but I like to work hard for my clients and would love to do the same for you. So click that link below, reach out to me, let's get something scheduled. Until then, y'all stay blessed.